Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. Now we are presentation the method of study group project. Next. Our member first Alivia Mara Putri, Adiani Gunawan, Inaya Nadifa, Mujana Nabila, Fani Armiantika. Next.
Determinant of water pipe smoking among high school students in Jakarta, Indonesia. Water pipe tobacco and smoke contain 300 chemicals, including tar, nicotine, carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, carbolic compounds, polycyclic, aromatic hydrocarbon, tobacco specific nitrous laminase, heavy metals, primary constituents, metal, and human tons. This toxicants thought to be linked with adverse health effect on both short and long-term basis. A meta-analysis involving 50 studies reported that water pipe smoking is significantly associated with respiratory disease, oral cancer, metabolic syndrome, and cardiovascular disease. Besides, sharing water pipe practices might increase the risk of infected communicable disease, particularly tuberculosis, hepatitis, or meningitis. Next.
Okay, next, smoking, vaping behavior, and the appearance of the depressive symptoms among high school students in Jakarta, Indonesia. Adolescence is a significant period of brain development. The immunity of parts of the frontal lobe leads to poor decision-making, increasing teenagers' tendency to exhibit risky behavior. Behaviors such as smoking, drinking, alcohol, and substance abuse are often initiated during adolescence and continue into adulthood. According to the United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF, around half of those who began smoking in adolescence continue to National Center for Health Statistics to determine a country quality of life and healthy level, knowing the prevalence of smoking, vaping, and depression among adolescents in Indonesia will make it possible to present the increase of such behavior and be the foundation for decreasing the risks of this global burden disease in the future. Next.
Next, the relationship between smoking habits for health and power body resistance. The dangers of smoking. The habit of smoking can affect health and endurance. In health, cigarette smoke will reduce the volume of oxygen entering the body, so it can interfere with the body's immune system. Smoking has various health hazards, including lung disease such as bronchitis and lung cancer, heart disease such as atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease, reproductive organ disorders, stomach disease, stroke rates, and can worsen the condition of diabetics. Smoking interferes with immune system function as it damages organs and lowers the body's antioxidant system. This can make it difficult for the body to fight disease.
Next, acts of tobacco smoke and immunity, inflammation, and autoimmunity. Smoking has been demonstrated to accelerate the progression of primary biliary cirrhosis or PBC, and to be a risk factor for the development of the disease, with past smoking associated with an OR of 1.6. These results have not been replicated due to the relative rareness of PBC. The precise mechanism is not yet apparent. Systemic sclerosis is a disorder characterized mainly by skin thickening, vasculitis, and immune dysfunction. No studies have associated smoking with increased prevalence of the disease. The several associations with disease manifestation have been noted. This is into progressive forms. Some epidemiologic studies describe an association between smoking and chronic widespread pain and pain at certain body sites like the back, neck, shoulders, and leg.
Impacts of cigarette smoking on immune responsive up and down or upside down. Cigarette smoking is prevalent worldwide and it has been reported that approximately 1/3 for the adult population smoke tobacco. Smoke from tobacco combination contains numerous harmful chemicals including but not limited to carbon monoxide, nicotine, nitrogen oxide, and cadmium. Exposure of tobacco smoke has been considered as an important cause of preventable death worldwide and related to the development of brain, respiratory, cardiovascular disease, infection, and cancers. Although reviews have been proposed can do to describe effect of cigarette smoking on various diseases and local immunity associated with a specific disease, and comprehensive review demonstrating impact of cigarette smoking and major component of immune health is lacking. We have previously found that smoking hinders long-term alert survival induced by contemplatory blockade. Next. Okay. Thank you for your listening and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.